Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide notification in status bar in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you want to hide notification for any specific app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, go ahead to your notification and here just select app notification. Once you have selected, you will get all apps on your phone. Now from here you can easily customize the notification for your specific app. If you want to enable your notification for any app, so you can easily enable that from here. For example, I'm going to enable notification for this YouTube app. Just enable that. On enable this toggle, you can easily disable any app's notification from here. If you want to hide anyone's notification, for example, I'm going to hide messages notification, simply tap on this toggle and it will be turned off. So in this way you can easily hide app notification in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.